Clevertouch really takes a very holistic approach to a school implementation, and that begins even before the school buying process when we're developing product. We have a team that develops with software engineers, educators, and we will take product out before it's even available to have it looked at by schools. They'll be beta testing software to ensure that it meets their needs, making sure the hardware is durable. So those sort of things are all pre-sale. Once the schools really start looking at vetting equipment, we tend to do things like going out to trade shows where we will meet customers, take product with us. We also offer extended evaluation periods where we will bring product to a school, set it up, let the teachers play with it for a month, really run it through its paces and make sure that it's going to meet their needs. And then from a post-sale rollout, we will then have an opportunity to go in from a professional development standpoint with trainers to get the staff up to speed, and that can include both one-on-one sessions or whole group sessions where we're working with teachers.